Yeah.
Abigail, is this your new car?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like your new car? Yeah. Do you know who gave you your new car? No, it's not Emmy. It was Gumbo Julie and Papa Bill.
Home.
Yeah. Can you say Gumbo,
Home.
Julie,
No.
Papa,
Papa.
Bill?
Yeah.
Bill?
Home.
I got the whole thing together except the roof. I'm not quite strong enough to pop it together, so Matt will put the roof on when he gets home. But there it is. The cozy coop.
Mama.
Can you push your car? Can you drive your car? You can see in a minute. I'll show you in a minute. Here, go push your car and then I'll show you. Can you get inside and drive it? And you can open the door. Sit down. All right, drive your car. How do you drive? Put your feet down. Can you walk forward? Walk, walk, walk. Crash.
Okay.
Okay. Good girl. You want to see now?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you
Yeah.
for the car? She just wants to see the video. Say bye-bye.